Hello everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning whenever you're seeing this video. So let's um let me just सबको जय हिंद जय भारत. ये तो बहुत important guys है. Let me share my screen. Hopefully my screen is visible to you guys. Now is it visible? Yep. Now yeah. So let's see what is happening in Bitcoin. Let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. Then okay, on the daily time frame, you can see that Bitcoin is going in up direction slowly and slowly. So as you can see that the curve is in the up direction, and there is a pullback, and then move in the forward direction in the up direction, and this is the usual way of the market to move. So the daily time frame market is bullish. It's very obvious to see. But on the one second, and the daily time frame, I can just see that this candle is forming and it still have 9 hours 44 minutes to close. That means we have to see that how this gonna work. Although there is, I can see that there is little bit buyers presence over here. Although after this breakout of the zone, market is taking support from somewhere here, and if it tries to go in the downward direction, then we can jump in the downward direction, because it will wipe out all these buyers who punched their order in this rally. So we'll see. On the daily time frame, you can just see that this sorry, on the hourly time frame, you can see that this is the extremely red candle that shows the presence of sellers a lot, but at the same time this is at the buying zone, so we have to be a little bit careful at this area. 30 minutes down the road, the picture is a little bit more clear, and you can just see that the market is in the selling range as of short time frame, and as you can see that after this market fall, and then it took a support, and market went till here, and then it's trying to make another move in the downward direction. So we are not sure that it will go in the downward direction after this much of rise, so we will try to avoid selling as of now until the next confirmation. So this is 5 minute time frame, and let's one more thing. Let's what's happening at 15 minutes. Same. So 15 minute is similar to the 30 minutes, and now 5 minutes you can just see that it already crossed this area, but at the same time we are not interested in the selling at this time. So we will find an opportunity in the up direction only, and if we find that market is above this zone, then we are buyers, and if there is extreme selling, then we can just jump in the selling side as well. There's no biasness, but a little bit biasness in the up direction right now. So let's see what is happening in the gold, and in gold we can just see that what is happening on the daily time frame. In daily time frame, you can see that these candles are quite bullish candle on the daily time frame, and as you can see, the next selling zone in the daily time frame is this. So still market is quite far from the selling zone, and you can see that after this let me see what is happening on a weekly time frame. So there is chances that market has fallen a lot, and then there's a pullback. Then market tries to end in the downward direction, but it somehow took support, and this is a good green candle that is making in the up direction. So this might follow the trend line in the up direction, and their buyers presence is there, so it can try to touch the selling zone again, and then market will move in the up direction. So this is the overall behavior on the daily time or weekly time frame. And the daily time frame, the candle is super duper bullish, and so look, by looking at these candles, the 4 hour time frame candle is also good, like last to last candle is quite good in the up direction. And as you can see, this the past behavior of a couple of hours is in the up direction only. So our biasness is in the up direction, and we will follow the trend. So the trend says that I'm going in the up direction, and so does we. So we'll see that how this is gonna work out. So I can also see that there's a channel that market is trying to follow, this one. So let's see. Can't say anything about this channel, but right now this is what it is. Let's see what is happening on the silver, and silver on a daily time frame, on the weekly time frame. Let's see what is happening in the weekly time frame. Same as gold. It is also in a couple of days, right? Market is in super duper bullish mode, and we can see that. So our biasness is also in the up direction, though market is at selling zone, but these are the weak sellers, but this is the strong selling zone that market falls from here. And right now market is exactly at this area, so there might be a chance that market can respect this area, and we have to underline this sort. This can be acted as one more horizontal line would be good. This can be acted as a selling zone. This can be acted as a, but not a bulletproof thing to agree. But as you can see, this is it is what it is. So let's now do 4 hour time frame. Yeah. So let's see what is happening at 1 hour time frame. Market is super duper bullish in the 1 hour time frame as well. And it's what is happening at 15 minutes. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is good. This is actually good, guys. So we can find a trade in the up direction only. All right. So this is basically the overall overview, where the market is trying to go. So the thing that we have to do is a little bit wait for our setup to punch the trade in either of the direction. Okay, so that's mm, 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 mm. But okay, what is this, guys? So okay, we have to see that there might be a trend shift in the downward direction as well. But after this much of buying, it is quite irregular or unusual that all of a sudden selling will start. Although like this is a good buying zone from where the market took support from here, here, and the third time here, then fourth time here, and the fifth time it is breaking out. So this can be a true breakout and as well as the false breakout as well. So we have to be little, but at the same time you can see the strength of this candle at the 1 hour time frame. This red candle is extremely aggressive, and this aggressiveness can be seen in this candle, and we can we have to wait a little bit. Just wait and watch. If this is a real fall in our downward direction, then we can sense it and we will try to punch the order in the downward direction. Otherwise, let's wait. Let's wait, guys. There's a good opportunity in the silver, at least, that I can see. But let's wait. Let's wait, guys. We have to practice patience. Practice patience is what we have to do. Mm. तीन तार मेरे no trade at all anywhere, guys. No trade at all. So we have to be little bit careful. Hmm. No trading zone, guys. We have to be little bit careful not to trade in this no trading zone. Otherwise, stop loss triggers. So meanwhile, we can see our analytics and this is what analytics looks like, guys. We are doing very, very bad. We are doing very bad, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So gold is facing rejection from the selling point. That's quite good, but we can't punch the trade just by looking at the rejection. We have to see another factor as well, and other factors. Market is super bullish. We can't touch it. Another selling zone is at this area, which is quite far as of now. Major selling zone. So I can see that there is a scope market can make and can go beyond this. There's still a scope. What is happening at silver? Um, Guys, in silver there's a option to give a buy try. What is this? So I have two, 300, 3000, 900, 1000 quantity. Okay, let's starts adding 100 quantities. Then we will do so what we will do, let's give some time to finish this candle. Let's price to come at this point. And in gold there is a rejection phase at the same time. In Bitcoin didn't have that much of capacity. As you can see, there is another support at this area, which uh, mm, there can be a trade because this liquidity in Bitcoin is quite high rather than trading in silver or gold, because silver or gold is right now it's not that volatile. But Bitcoin, on the other hand, you can just see it's volatile and is aggressive in the downward direction. And the closing of this candle is very important. How this candle is gonna close, that solely decides the future and next steps in this Bitcoin price action. On the other hand, gold is facing rejection from this area. Silver is not sure what silver is doing, but gold is for sure is taking rejection. Same time, Bitcoin has another mind. So still 1 hour and 26 seconds to close this candle. ਚੱਟ ਦੀਆਂ ਮਾਰਦੀਆਂ ਖਿੱਚ ਕੇ ਤਮਾਚਾ ਹੀ ਹੱਸਦੇ ਰਿੰਕੀ ਆਕੇ ਪਾਪਾ. Oh my god, this is cool. This is literally cool. So this is following the channel, guys. Still 27 more seconds to close this candle. And at the same time, Bitcoin is also giving a hope that it might go in the downward direction. And I like this hope, kind of hope. So 10 more seconds to close this candle. I will jump with point 0.5. Will not air directly. I will wait for a pullback or so. Is there any pullback or not? What is happening? Why price action is not building? Hey, what happened? It's already 15 seconds. More than 15. It's already 30 seconds, guys. Okay, all right. Now it is giving some hope. So what I to do is I'll zero point 0.5. Let me sell zero point 0.5 over here. My stop loss would be, let's put my stop loss something like this, and my target would be at least this area. Might be, I might be wrong, or let's see. So I just traded the follow-up trade. Will add more quantity here at this area. Check. So nice. It's time to add more quantity. Let's wait. Okay. All right. What is gold is trying to do? And silver? Nothing. No trade at all here. There might be trade in the let's sell 10 quantity here. I sold 10 quantity. My stop loss would be at high of this candle only, and my target would be at this area. Let's see. So right now there are two trades running on. One is at Bitcoin, which is running good, and another is at let me see, let me put the target in the right place. I have to see. Yeah, the target is at the right place. Good. So in gold, okay, in gold it is having a little bit loss, but I think the trade is fine only. Let's okay. 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 In gold we have booked a sell. It reversed after this good candle. And in Bitcoin, what we are observing is also the reversal, mm, which is not good actually. So let's give some form to this. I closed the trade. I don't know it will work or not, but I think this will not work. Gold. I think I just traded for the sake of trading. I think so. Let's see. Today, what the hell is this, guys? Artistry. This is not yet. Why it is not closed yet, guys? The hell? Oh no. Okay, so it is having problem in handling multiple trades. Okay. Got it, guys. Got it. Just give me a minute, guys. I have to fix this. This application is not up to the mark. How can I sell it if it is not working in my account? Come on. Okay. Mm, 464. All right. Let me share my screen again. So what I have observed is that this application is not handling the uh, simultaneous trade gracefully. So it is having some bugs. Mm, So you have to trade in single application. So that's not good for crazy guys, crazy. So still have 16 more minutes, and I am pretty much sure that this will close in the right direction. So we will find the opportunity in the selling side only. That is for sure. So we will let's wait 40. Let's wait a little bit. Let's wait for more price action to uphold. Okay, gold went in the up direction. I think silver is also doing the same. Yes, yes, yes. This is the right opportunity to buy silver over here, but I missed that opportunity. Now it is going in the up direction. It's fine. Yeah, gold is also reaching at the selling zone again. At the same time, BTC is doing. I think we can start selling BTC little little. Mm, let's wait a little bit more. Three minutes more to close this candle. Let's wait for the proper pullback. It's quite good. All right. Okay. I'm selling, guys. I just sold. Mm, oh, my sell would be at this area. So my sell is 100 points, and my target would be, of course, let's say this one. So I will add more quantity, a little bit more quantity. Don't know how much it can give me. Point two. Yeah, I can add point two lots more. Aggressively, I will add if it closes good in the downward direction. Still 1 more minute to close this candle. Okay. One minute and 11 seconds to close this candle. The only thing that can haunt us is this buying area. Like, although that this is a good pullback, and if market wants to follow its original trend that is in downward direction, then it's a good time to follow it. Otherwise, I will reduce the risk. I don't want to take much risk in this trade. So the risk is the top of this candle only. So it's only $41. And in return, we are targeting 1:10 trade. This is insane. So 23 more seconds. 23 more seconds to close this candle. 8 more seconds to close this candle, and this candle closing is not good, guys. Yeah, it closed the candles. Okay, so it is giving us a bad time. Okay, my stop loss is very minimal, guys. It's very minimal, and I think it can touch my stop loss anytime. Stop loss is very small, guys. It's very small. Yeah, it has took my stop loss, guys. Hmm. That's bad. But I will try again if I find the opportunity again. Right now, I think this is a pullback only, and stop loss went in pullback. So let me try again. Again, my stop loss would be high of this candle. Okay, I think it will take my stop loss again. Why I'm so impulsive today? Are my orders are saving or not? See, it's still running. God, I am so frustrated with this application now. Guys, I have to fix my application. Just give me a minute. Let me share my screen again. Yeah, hopefully my screen is visible to you guys. So I will create a selling order again. So this is my selling order, guys. I will manually square off. Don't worry. So today it is again a bad day, guys. So I think I have to close this. Let's wait for the candle to close. Okay, okay. Yeah, this will give us a hard time, guys. I just squared off my position. Mm, okay, so we have took four trades today, and no, five trades today, and we have incurred losses in each one of them. So it's overall $105 loss. and I have took 5 trades in 41 minutes. That's insane. I'm just taking one more trade. This is my one more trade. This is one more trade, guys. What is the stop loss? This is 80314. Stop loss 80314. Yes. Target would be 79776. Um 79776. Okay. Yeah, good only. Hmm. This is good. So after a long time, fall is going to happen. Okay, now I will not take any risk in this. So 80279. 80279. Update SL. Yeah. So I am at cost to cost. It's fine. Just see how this trade will work. It's 29 more seconds to close this candle. It is facing rejection from the bottom. Is trying to. There is a trend line that I can see here. Over here is this. There is a support over here. This support, guys. 3 more seconds. Close this candle. Okay. If this follows, this should not be happen like this. Is this has to cross. Yes, come on, guys. Come on, Bitcoin. You have the potential, guys. You have the potential. Buying is coming, guys. Unnecessary buying. All right, again, good. So it is going good. Come on. Come on, BTC. Come on, why you slowed down? Yeah, good going. Good going. Good going. Good going. Yeah, there is a support coming from again and again at this area. Shall I book partial profit? But let's give a chance. Let's give a chance. Okay, so you can just see that there is a one more attempt, guys. One more attempt. Oh no, shit. It is facing rejection. Oh God, this is very frustrating. Very frustrating. It's 2 more minutes to close this candle. What is happening in the gold? Okay, gold just break out, and I think silver also. Silver is not giving vibe of breaking out. Bitcoin at the same time is struggling. Who is buying at this area? So there are buyers over here. But the next buyers are at this area, guys. According to price action. Hmm. Just give me a minute. I'm all right. So 2 more seconds to close this candle, and you can see that market is taking support from this area. If this candle didn't break out, then I have to close the trade because this will take the support. Otherwise, in silver, as you can see, or in gold, market has already. In silver, there's opportunity in buying side. I will add some quantity, like 100 or something like that, in the buying. Again, I have two trades running simultaneously. I don't know why I did this, but let's, for the sake of completeness, let's see. I'm I will 81.5806. 81.5806. 81. 81.5806 is my stop loss. So this is my stop loss. Target is open. So $28 is a bit too much. Um, 816925. 816925. 816925. Date. 17 I can. Okay, let's see what is happening in Bitcoin. Yeah, there's a trendline breakout. That's cool. Go. That's cool. Mhm. Okay. Guys, yeah, this is the zone that is troubling us. This is not breaking easily. Okay, what is happening to full reversal, guys? See, this is full reversal. Very bad happened to us. Very bad. Now only one trade is running, guys. Yeah, nothing is working, guys. Order squared off in silver, guys. In Bitcoin, it already reversed, so there is a good chances that market can go in the downward direction, but it reversed. See how small smooth zones can work. All right, guys, that's it for my time. So in this 1 hour, we have punched 7 trades, and this is the overall loss that we incurred today. All right, I think I have to cut off this. We'll see you tomorrow with a new approach. Let's try to do only one trade. Um, or in 1 hour, I think 3 to 4 trades are sufficient. Not Let's not punch um unnecessary trades. All right, guys. See ya and have a nice day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.